The Nanchang Q5, also known as the A-5 in its export versions, is a Chinese-built single-seat, twin-jet engine ground attack aircraft based on the Shenyang J-6 MiG-19. The aircraft is primarily used for close air support. Pakistan Air Force ordered total 60 aircrafts in May 1982. First batch of 41 delivered in early 1983 to number 7, 16 and 26 squadrons, replacing last B-57 Canberras in December 1983. Total 60 aircraft equipping 3 squadrons delivered between 1982 to 1987. A-5s was twin-engine supersonic fighter developed by the Nanchang Aircraft Company of China. Of the 60 aircraft of this class acquired by Pakistan, as of mid-1999 only 49 remained in service. Some are reportedly capable of carrying a single 5 to 20 kt nuclear bomb. It offers enhanced combat performance, particularly at low and super low altitude. It is the latest renovated type equipped with imported navigation and attack systems. It is used mainly to assist ground troops in attacking concentrated targets on land, key transportation points and ships near the coast. It can also intercept and fight enemy aircraft. Heavily modified in Pakistan Aeronautical Complex camera with Western avionics, Martin Baker ejection seats and other new systems, flyaway cost reported to be $1 million United States dollars. 32 Q5IA modified to A-5C, A-5-3, upgraded avionics, Martin Baker PK-10LV ejection seats modified hardpoints for compatibility with AIM-9 Sidewinder. 3 prototypes built before production. Operated by number 7, 16 and 26 squadrons. Later modifications by Pakistan Aeronautical Complex include the installation of Pakistani laser altimeters, Pakistani head-up display combiner glasses, and South African frequency hopping radios. Pakistan Air Force A-5s was the most modern aircrafts of this version, and even Chinese Q5s are less modern and capable. All types of this version was retired by April 2011 from PAF.